Students, in the first video of lesson number 5, we have learnt about the skilled human, Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Homo neanderthal man, etc. Today, in the second part, we shall learn about the Homo sapiens and Homo sapiens sapiens and civilization. Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens is the name used for humans that were more advanced than the Neanderthals. Homo sapiens means intelligent or intellectual man. The Neanderthals and the Homo sapiens were neighbors for some time in Europe. It is believed that due to reasons like the conflict with Homo sapiens and inability to adapt to environmental changes, the Neanderthals became extinct. On the basis of C14 dating, it is estimated that the Neanderthals became extinct about 30,000 years ago. Carbon-14 dating is a method used for dating ancient objects. The human species that was more intelligent than any of the earlier species was named Homo sapiens. In Europe, Homo sapiens is also known as Cro-Magnon man. Their remains have been found in the continents of Europe, Asia and Africa. Homo sapiens made different kinds of tools and implements to suit the tasks they needed to do. They used to make stone blades and fix them in the wood by making a cut in it or making a V-shaped cut in the bones to make bone handles. Homo sapiens had evolved to the stage of having a fully developed larynx. Larynx is an organ of sound production. It is also known as voice box, which could produce a range of sounds with subtle differences. Their jaws and the muscles inside the mouth were fully well developed and the tongue was flexible. Hence, Homo sapiens could use them to produce a variety of sounds and modulate his voice the way he liked. Modulate means a tone or pitch of one's voice. Using his imagination, he could give names to the different things he saw and could put his thoughts and feelings into words. Using these words, he could speak and communicate. He could draw pictures on the basis of actual observation as well as imagination. He even began to make artistic objects. The cave paintings at Bhimbetka were made by Stone Age man. In short, he had a well-developed language system. He used his imagination and made artistic objects. So, he has been named Homo sapiens, that is intelligent man or thinking man. Homo sapiens, sapiens and civilization. Homo sapiens sapiens is the name given to the humans as a capacity to think developed even further than that of Homo sapiens. The capacity of their brain and their grasping power also developed further with time. We, the modern humans, are Homo sapiens sapiens. The appearance and health characteristics of human beings indicate their similarity to their ancestors. This is known as heredity. In a simple words, heredity means passing of physical and mental characteristics from one generation to the other. Genetics is a science that studies heredity. Genetic research has shown that we have inherited some traits of the Neanderthal man. Traits means an identifying characteristics. Thus, it can be said that the Neanderthal man and Homo sapiens are both ancestors of the modern humans. Around 11,000 to 10,000 BC, Homo sapiens sapiens developed the technique of cultivating land and keeping animals. Because of their well-developed capacity to think, the speed at which they improved their technology increased with time. They began to live a more settled life. They began to grow food grains in the fields. As a result, the amount of carbohydrates in their food increased. The changed lifestyle and diet affected the appearance of humans. Their body and face grew smaller than they had been in the earlier generations. They ate both vegetables and meat. This created a balanced form of diet. The name Homo sapiens sapiens reflects their intellectual and cultural rather than their physical skillfulness. All animals must necessarily meet their basic need for food. However, modern humans are not satisfied with only doing that much. Through their hard work to enrich their lives, using their creativity, intelligence, and skills, human beings acquired a culture and also developed it. The technological and cultural progress achieved by modern humans after the beginning of culture, agriculture, and domestication of animals has been extremely quick. So, the history of the evolution of humans can be divided into various stages. Thank you for watching the video.